Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore FAQ accordion behavior in Shopify themes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore FAQ accordion behavior in Shopify themes, start by opening your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section. Click on themes to view your published theme. Find the theme you want to edit and click on actions. Select edit code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, locate the sections folder. Look for a file that relates to the FAQ section, often named faq.liquid or similar. Open that file to view its contents. Next, search for any JavaScript or jQuery code that controls the accordion behavior. If you can't find it, you may need to create a new JavaScript file. To create a new file, go to the Assets folder. Click on Add a new asset. Choose JavaScript from the options and name it faqaccordion.js or something similar. Now, add the accordion functionality in this new file. You can use a simple jQuery script or a vanilla JavaScript function to achieve this. Make sure to call the toggle functionality on click events. Next, return to your faq.liquid file. Ensure to include the newly created JavaScript file. To include it, add a script tag right before the closing /body tag. After that, save all changes to the files you edited. Next, navigate to your storefront to test the FAQ section. Click on an FAQ question to see if the accordion behavior works as intended. If it does not, double-check your JavaScript for any errors. You may also need to ensure that jQuery is included in your theme. If you're still having issues, clear your browser cache and refresh the page. Once everything is functioning correctly, your FAQ accordion behavior should now be restored. You can further customize the styling if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.